In this video, we are going to highlight some important parts of a pesticide label, also known in Canada as crop protection products or pest control products. The label on a pesticide product tells the reader how to use it. Most importantly, it outlines how to use the product safely. Product labels are written to be followed. The label contains important information like degree and nature of hazard posed by the product or crops it treats, the application rate needed, first aid procedures, required personal protective equipment, and more. To ensure the safe and proper use of all pesticide products, it is every pesticide user's responsibility to read and understand the information found on the product's label and in the attached or accompanying pamphlet, and to always follow the label directions when using any registered pesticide product. A product's label is found adhered to its container. The primary panel of the product label is where you will find degree and nature of hazards, general use information, the active ingredient guarantee, the Pest Control Products Act registration number issued by Health Canada, and the name and address of the company that registered the product. Let's take a closer look. It is important to know where to find the 5-digit Pest Control Products Act registration number on any pesticide product that you're using. Why? Because this unique product identifier will help a medical professional or poison control attendant provide accurate treatment advice in the event of an emergency. You can find this number here on the primary panel of the product label. Before you use a product, check the label for hazard symbols, warning symbols, signal words, and precautionary statements. Examples of hazard symbols you might find on a label include poison, corrosive, and flammable. If a hazard symbol is surrounded by a triangle, it's a caution. A diamond, it's a warning. And a stop sign is a danger. The more sides to a shape, the more serious the hazard. Precautionary statements like potential skin sensitizer are also found on the front panel of the product label. These symbols and words are important as they highlight the level of care needed when handling the product and underscore the importance of following the label directions, such as personal protective equipment, or PPE, to ensure that the product is used safely. Keep in mind that PPE requirements vary depending on the job you're performing and the pesticide you are using. So, make sure you have the right PPE for the job. The secondary panel is where you can find the PPE needed for various job functions that is required when handling a specific pesticide product, treated seed, or crop. First aid procedures in the event that a product comes in contact with your eyes, skin, or clothing, or is swallowed or inhaled, can be found on the secondary panel of the label. The secondary panel, and within the larger booklet, sometimes called the pamphlet, is where you will find additional information on disposal and storage. The pamphlet also contains specific directions for use, including the crops that may be treated, application rates, product mixing and loading instructions, and more. And remember, always read and follow label directions. If you don't understand something on a product label, contact the company that registered the product or Health Canada's Pest Management Information Service at 1-800-267-6315 or pmra.info-arla@hc-sc.gc.ca.